So, hello, my name is Amar Gurung and I'm 23 years old and I'm working as a barista instructor in a coffee clinic academy. So today I'm going to show you how to make cafe latte and cappuccino and briefly describe about the coffee. So let's start it. So basically I'm going to make my cafe latte in a single shot and cappuccino in a single shot. So for the time consumable, I will use this double set portafilter where I'm going to make a dose of 14 to 16 gram. So first I'm going to measure it. So that's it, it's 14 gram. So I'm going to distribute with this WDT and I'm going to tamp. So make sure while you're tamping, your tamping should not be uneven, otherwise your coffee will be going to under extraction. So before you attach the portafilter, make sure you have flushed. I'm going to flush. Then I'm going to attach. So I'm going to use latte for 12 ounce cup for latte and 8 ounce for cappuccino. So first I'm going to make latte. So while making latte, so I'm going to pour some complex latte art which is called rosetta. So pouring, so while pouring, make sure you have mixed well. Pouring and pour, shake, 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 and down, cut. This is the rosetta, the cafe latte. And next, I'm going to pour simple art, which is hard, cappuccino. That's it. Okay, thank you. I hope you like the video. See you.